Have you ever stopped to think about how much power can be packed into just one single word? Today, we're going to do a deep dive and unravel the incredible, surprising power hidden inside a word you probably use every single day.
I mean, it seems like a pretty simple question, right? But trust me, the answer is going to take us on a wild ride, from basic math problems all the way to some really complex ideas about morality. Let's see just how deep this rabbit hole goes.
And here it is. This is our word wrong. We say it, we hear it, we think it all the time, probably without giving it a second thought. But what if I told you this word is a bit of a chameleon? That it's constantly changing its colors depending on how you use it?
Okay, so let's get into it. We're going to start with the most basic, black and white meaning of wrong. You know, the one we all get drilled into our heads in school. Right here, wrong is just a clear-cut verdict. We're talking about the world of facts, where something is either right or it isn't. There's really no gray area, no room for debate. Just think about a simple math problem. 2 + 2 = 4. That's it. End of story. So saying it equals 5 is just plain wrong. This is the word in its simplest, most objective form. This is our starting point.
But, what happens when we step out of that clean, predictable world of numbers and into the much messier world of people? This is where our word wrong takes on a whole new dimension. It gets a lot more complicated. See? Same 5 letters, but it's like we're in a completely different universe now. Suddenly, wrong isn't about facts anymore. It's about values. It's a word that carries some serious weight. It's used to judge, to condemn, even to express real outrage. And check this out. The word can actually become an action. It transforms into a verb. To wrong someone, that means to actively cause harm, to inflict pain. It's not just a judgment anymore. It's practically a weapon. So we've gone from a simple mistake in a math problem all the way to a major crime. This word has shown us its incredible range. But why? What is it that gives this one little word so much power? Okay, so what is the secret? What's the hidden mechanism behind this word's amazing flexibility? Well, it turns out the answer is tied to this really fascinating and kind of little-known project in the world of language. There it is. That one sentence is the key to everything we've been talking about. But what does that even mean? What in the world is the basic English 850 list, and why is being on it such a big deal? 850. Just remember that number because it represents a pretty radical idea about how language can work. So let's unpack this. What is this list, and why does making the cut give a word like wrong so much influence? So the basic English 850 is basically a curated collection of the most essential, hard-working words in the English language. Think of it like a linguistic Swiss Army knife. Every single word on that list was chosen because it's super versatile. It can do the job of many, many other words. And that right there is exactly why wrong made the list. It's a powerhouse. With just this one word, you can point out a factual error, you can condemn a moral failing, and you can even describe an act of harm. It's a perfect example of the hidden power of simple, foundational English. It just goes to show you, sometimes the most common, everyday words we use are actually the most profound. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other simple words out there are hiding this much complexity, just waiting for us to take a closer look?